Great. I just mean you ever bought a car. Suddenly, even if you're interested in purchasing the car, then all of a sudden, everywhere you go, you see that car. Now, according to the research, this is reticular activating system in action. When you talk about things, especially in therapy, it's not just a talk. You are usually intense in your energy. So it doesn't have to be therapy per se. It could just be you and your people sitting around having a lemon squeeze of a great fest. It's the intensity, it's the energy. But I'm gonna stick to therapy because that's where I do that. So when you talk about things and you have this intensity of it involved, you're priming your awareness. You begin to notice what you haven't noticed before. For all you know, it could have been 1,000 red Hondas that drove past you last week when you weren't thinking about buying a car. But now that you want that red Honda, now you see 1,000 red Hondas. And Dr. Dennis Osar Winkler says, the movie and the book is called The Secret. Yeah, I read that. Well, I did read The Secret. I think I read this. Let me slow it down because I may be jumping out there on a limb. I know I've heard of both the book and The Secret. I know I've been recommended to read the book. I've been recommended to watch The Secret. And I know that I went at least a little bit down that path. But like I said, I know that for me, the law of attraction, the law of resonance, the law of this, that, and another, and a third, I never really vibe with them. Like I don't pledge allegiance to it, but it's out there and it will definitely break it down with the proper perspective. So much controversy and a lot of deception. You don't know who's coming through with the light and reflection, and whose mouth is mumbling trick knowledge deceptive. Shabazz break it down with the proper perspective. So